on, everyone? It is Shannon with Main Street and Beyond Travel Company, and I am so excited because I am back at Disney for Halloween weekend. See, I've got my Halloween shirt on. I'll also probably be taking pictures in this tomorrow when I go to the Magic Kingdom on Halloween day, but today is officially check-in day. We are going to be checking into Coronado Springs Resort, but first, we had to come to Beaches and Cream at Beach Club Resort to get this little Halloween beauty here. Look at that. Look at you got the cupcake. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited for this. This is a Halloween special treat here, and I believe it goes away tomorrow after Halloween. So I had to come get it while I was here. So let's give it a try. I don't even know where to start with this. Like, I don't even know how to.
I do. I can start with it.
There's like cake inside too. Whoa. I thought it would be vanilla cake. I don't know why when it's a Halloween tree, but it's definitely pumpkin cake.
Yeah, it should be pumpkin.
I'm gonna try some of this on top. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I want to try that too.
That's good.
Is that a cupcake?
It's very pumpkin-y flavored, like in a good way. It's really good. Thanks.
What?
That's good. That's really good. I'm trying to get the sprinkles on the side. I did want to mention they have little pecans in the milkshake too. But yeah, I didn't know what they were when I was drinking them, but they're really good.
I can taste the pumpkin. Now I can, because I was mixing it with strawberry and I couldn't taste it.
Yeah, it's really good. This is like fall treats all in one. Like, it's a cupcake with a chip, like a pumpkin, with pumpkin spice. Then it's got like a pecan milkshake. Like, it's just all things fall in one treat.
Yeah.
It's so good. So I'm really excited because we actually get to keep this glass. How cool is that? It says Disney's Beach Club Resort, and it's a little mason jar glass. So I'm really excited. Well, we just finished up having some lunch at Beaches and Cream, and we're gonna head now over to Coronado Springs to check in. I'm gonna go into the bathroom to rinse out my cup that I get to keep, which I'm so excited about. So we will see you guys when we get to Coronado Springs. All right, so I want to give you guys a little room tour here. We just checked into Coronado Springs. I'm gonna hold my phone against the lock to get in. There we go. For some reason our magic bands aren't working, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But yeah, here we are inside the room. So they actually upgraded us, and we're so excited because they upgraded us to a water view preferred room. So we're really excited about that. You can see here we've got the 2 queen size beds. The Coronado Springs did just recently renovate their rooms, so really excited about that. Nice hardwood floors, very large, nice desk. We have our Keurig coffee maker here, ice bucket. We also have these adorable Mickey shaped towels they give us. And I just think this adds such a cute touch. Like, look at that. Look at how cute. They put us on here to tell us welcome to Coronado Springs. Hey, there's me. I love, love, love these doors in Coronado Springs. Let's close them all the way and see how they look. Boom. Yes. Just so cute for the bathroom area. Absolutely love it. Nice mirror here to check out my daily Disney outfits. We have a beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Lots and lots of storage for everybody. There's even a hanger here. Oh, and look at what I just learned how to do. You can pull that out. All right, we've got a huge wardrobe area here for you to hang stuff in. Extra bedding up top. Again, just tons of storage. Ooh, look, we even get these fancies. These are the best. This is why you come to Disney, is to get their stuff. Nice mirror here. See, so we can get ready. And then you have a sliding door for the bathroom. Oh my goodness, I can't get it back open now. Oh my goodness, what did I do? There we go. So yeah, the bathroom looks really nice. I'm gonna just do a quick tour for you guys here. We've got our stuff in the shower. Ooh, That's nice. I can't wait to take a shower in here later. But yeah, that's just a very brief overview and room tour for Coronado Springs. I absolutely love it. We have been staying at Coronado Springs for like ever. Like ever since I was little, Coronado Springs has always been like our home Disney resort. So I always love staying here. And like I said, they were so nice to give us an upgrade to a preferred room, and not only that, but a preferred room with a water view. So we have a gorgeous view, and I think we're gonna head to the pool. So I will show you guys that next. So I wanted to hop on here and say one more quick thing is if you can, which you can put in room requests at Disney, just so you guys know, you can put in room requests if you want a specific building, specific floor, anything like that. Another thing you can do is you can request a double or a corner room to have 2 windows, and I personally love that. We had that like a month ago at Caribbean Beach, and now we have it here too, and I'm loving these corner rooms to get this double window. I don't know, it just makes it seem so much bigger. I don't know, I'm a fan of requesting the corner rooms now. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that, and we're gonna be off to the pool. All right, we have left our room. This was not a good time to start vlogging. I gotta walk down the stairs, hold on. Okay, we have left our room and we are on our way to go over to the main pool, the Lost City of Cibola, I think is how you pronounce it, Cibola pool. And yeah, we're walking over there. We are currently staying in the casitas portion of this resort, which is really nice. I'm gonna do like a montage later, showing you everything here. But it's very, very nice and very quiet. So some of these resorts like Coronado Springs, Caribbean Beach, Port Orleans, Pop Century, really all of them, they have so many different buildings that are all around that make up the entire resort. And so you could be put in any of those buildings. They usually have multiple bus stops, except the value ones do not. The value ones, the bus stop is only at the front of the resort for everybody. Whereas like here at Coronado Springs, we have our own bus stop for the casitas area here of our resort. So we'll see you guys when we get to the Lost City of Cibola. Alright, we have officially made it to the Lost City of Cibola pool, and I love this pool. It is honestly probably one of my top 3 favorite pools on property, just because I love this area back here. It's so beautiful, and I can't wait to take some pictures with it. And it's pretty hot out, and I cannot wait to go swimming right now. So we'll catch up with you guys later. Well, my friends, I have grabbed a lovely margarita from Siesta's Cantina, which is right back there. It's the bar at the Lost City of Cibola pool, and it's super, super good. This margarita is amazing. I love getting them every time I'm here, and there's not a lot of people here. It is so nice to have this area to ourselves. When we checked in too, they said only certain buildings here at Coronado Springs are open right now. So that's probably the reasoning why, but I'm gonna flip this around here and I'm gonna show you guys how nice it is to have this pool pretty much all to ourselves. And look at how beautiful. You see the Grandestino Tower back there. We tried to see if rooms were available there, but they weren't. So we are going to continue just relaxing here at the pool. So we'll catch up with you guys later for dinner. All right, well, we had an amazing time at the pool. We're now gonna grab some dinner at Rix Sports Bar Grill. So we're gonna give you our review of everything, and we will catch you inside. Well, we had a great time at the pool today. We are now heading over to Rix Sports Bar Grill for dinner. We're gonna give you our review, and we can't wait to get there. So we'll catch you there. Rix Sports Bar Grill, we are going to go check out the gift shop at Coronado Springs. All right, looks like they have some of their holiday stuff out here at Panchitos, which is the, oh, how cute. I need these. I need them. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Some of their holiday stuff out here at the Coronado Springs. Oh, how adorable. Oh, they have my ears. Maybe I should just get them today. Okay, well, these are coming with me. They have some nice official Coronado Springs stuff here. We got a tank top, nice shirt for men. You've got your hat. Actually, that's really cute. I like that. Got some mugs. Another cute women's Coronado Springs shirt. I like that. Looks like some magnets, some chocolates. Nice Coronado Springs stuff. Alright, we just sat down at Rix Sports Bar and Grill and I'm looking over the menu. Here they did give us the option of whether or not we wanted the paper menu or if we wanted to just scan, but they already had the paper menus on the table, so we just said we would use these. They've got some good stuff. I'm just going to go through some of the stuff on here, like basic appetizers like nachos, a giant pretzel, and queso. I might try the guachos. I've heard those are really, really good. They also have some things like fried mozzarella. They have soups, sides, like waffle fries, sweet potato fries, burgers, and different sandwiches. So I'm really excited to try this. I think I'm going to try those guachos because every time I watch allears.net with Molly, she gets the guachos. So